Hello! Hi guys, my name's Emma and this is my very first YouTube channel. So, you're probably all thinking, that accent, ooh, that sounds fucked. Where is she from? Well guys, born in Australia, migrated to Canada, and I'm now here in Los Angeles. So last Thursday I was on a flight and I was coming back to Los Angeles from Toronto. But anyway, the woman next to me must have been a little bit sick and, decided to cough. I'm fine with coughing, as long as you cover your mouth. Cover that mouth. She didn't cover her mouth once. You did not just cover me in your own saliva. Like, do I say something? Would you just mind, covering your mouth when you cough? Sorry, I just don't want to get sick. I've got a really busy week coming up. You can't say that to a grown adult. You cannot say that. It drives me crazy. What is wrong with you? Cover your mouth. There are so many different types of coughing, and we've all seen them. The regular cougher. Sorry, excuse me. The person that hasn't stopped coughing for 30 minutes straight. The I'm too sick to cough cougher. The person that has something stuck in the back of their mouth during the whole movie. Chris Pratt's really good. The super phlegmy cough. The it wasn't me cougher. Well, me. I ain't sick. The one who thinks they're on Broadway cougher. The Canadian cougher. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The Gollum cough.
Little cough drop. Just one little cough drop.
The American cougher. Hell yeah, just fucking cough. This is America. If you want to cough in your own home, then you go for it. You cough, you splatter, you make noise, you wake up those neighbors Ben and Jill who you hate. But when you're out in public, please, cover that mouth. Now I said cover that mouth. And I said cover that mouth. Said no, cover that mouth. Cover that mouth. I said no, cover that mouth. See, it's an easy song, easy to remember. It's called Cover Your Mouth. It'll be coming out with Nicki Minaj and Justin Bieber really soon. 2018, bitches. Thanks so much for watching, guys. My name's Emma, and I'll see you next Thursday. You have a great one. Bye.